Making credit line payments.
From the top menu, select View Credit Lines. On the Manage screen, ensure Instrument Type is set to Credit Line. Select Search Proper Borrower. Once borrower name is selected, Loan Assistant will display all active credit lines for the borrower. Note, right below the accounts grid, you can choose an option to see inactive accounts as well.
Click on the account to work with in the Accounts grid. Selecting the account will display all transactions recorded against the loan in the Transactions grid below.
Click on the Scheduled button to the right of the accounts grid. Make payments screen loads. All amounts pre-calculated as per loan schedule, according to scheduled due date. User can override default payment date, amount of payment. If payment amount does not cover the whole payment, the following options apply. If payment amount covers calculated interest charges if full, there will be a smaller than scheduled principal reduction. If payment amount does not cover calculated interest charges if full, unpaid portion of the interest will go to interest arrears and will remain until paid in full by the borrower. Overriding pre-calculated values. To overwrite pre-calculated values, check off the Overwrite checkbox above the Transactions grid and add Edit Lines in the grid. Double-click the amount cells to make them editable.
Penalties, outstanding charges. If there are any outstanding charges, the Outstanding Charges button will have a red-colored box in it and will need to be acted on. If there are any outstanding charges, they will need to be either applied, to be paid later, paid, or waived. Late penalty charge is automatically calculated based on payment date and LOC settings. Once transaction is recorded, it automatically appears in the Transaction grid as well as QuickBooks.
Free trial available at theloanassistant.com.